All right, so this is the reason that I'm sad, is because here's how I forecasted the flying transportation thing. I said, Tesla is a revolutionary form of transportation. So let's look at the dynamic price curve of Tesla automobile and apply it to flying transportation. And the results are a little bit depressing. So Tesla founded in 2006. The Roadster was the first car, came available in 2008. It was available for a price between 80 and 120. And I think the average was, between 100 and 110. So to be as conservative as possible, I used the data point saying that it was available in 2006 for 80 grand. And the reason that's conservative is because this minimizes the price reduction space available over time. So that when we get to 2019 and you can get a Tesla for 35 grand, which is about 29 and a half grand in 2008 dollars, then the price only decreased from like 80 to 29 and a half, as opposed to, like 120 to 29 and a half, which would have been a steeper price decline. So that would have been a less conservative estimate. So with the conservative estimate, we get about a 63% price reduction over the course of 13 years, which is like pretty good, except it's not good, because that means that flying stuff is going to be really expensive, because there is a flying Ironman suit available. There's like a link on my blog, in the blog article. I'll put it in the description, but it's like 450 grand to buy this thing, as of I think last year, 2018. So a 63% reduction means in 2032 it'll still be like over 150 grand. So that kind of sucks, because it's really expensive, right? I can't afford that. The other way you can look at this 63% reduction is you can kind of do a Moore's Law type of thing, where computer prices halve every 2 years. So the Tesla's law would be innovative transportation prices halve about every 7 years. So it's much slower than Moore's Law. And using that rate, we would have a sub 100 grand. In fact, it'd be a sub 60 grand, just the way the halving works out. In about 21 years, you'll be able to get your own flying Ironman suit. And if 60 grand is too much, just wait another 7 years, and then it'll be around 30 grand. So there you go. There's the low quality price forecast for flying suits. If you can do a car or a hybrid plane instead, you're in a bit more luck, because they're a little bit cheaper, but it's still going to be a while. See you later.